Good morning, students. Today I will teach you function argument. Function argument I will teach you. So, function argument means already I will teach you. Function means already last class I will teach you. A function is a block. Okay. That is a repeatedly you can used. That is called to function. Okay, the specific stocks repeatedly will do it. That is called to function. The function argument means today I will teach you. The function argument, it is a calling the function. Primarily 4 types of function argument is there. The first one I will teach you required argument, then keyword argument, then third one it is a default argument, then fourth one it is a variable length argument, So totally 4 argument is there. So today I will teach you one by one alone. I will teach you, listen carefully. Okay, the simple example also I will teach you. That the simple examples will understand means the program concept also very clearly you understand. Okay, good. The first I will teach you required argument. I will teach you. The small program I will teach you, listen carefully. Each and everything on small program I will teach you, listen carefully. Def print string str then colon. That is a function syntax, no? Print string, it is a function name. Def means a keyword. Okay. Now here what does that means? That is argument. What is this? Argument or parameter. Okay, good. Now one indentation, that is a tab, print double quotation, example of something you can write. Some example of Python program, PGM, double quotation closed. Then again what is this? Print str. Okay, next what is this? Return statement. After that what does this means? One example program I will teach you, listen carefully. After that here I will teach you print string, then bracket closed. Okay, bracket close. After process executing means this program what result will coming means this program you can execute. This is a 1 2 3 4. That is a function statement 3. That is a program statement 2. Okay, program statement 2, 1 and 2. So this program will execute means one by one execute. See here str on argument is there. Str argument is not there anything. Str argument only is there. Print Excel Python is there. Print str is coming. Print string is a no argument. See here no argument. Here str is there. Here str value is not there. Okay, here what will do means here I will do 12th standard. I will do the double quotation 12th standard I will double quotation and there. Now you can execute the program means now the function argument str value what? That is here what is this? Here will store. Str value what? Print string is one function name is there. That function argument, what argument is there? Str value, it is a 12th standard. See this value here you can go to copy it. Now you can str value 12th standard. Now one by one you can execute means what is the output will come? Output example Python program. str value what? 12th standard. So this is a answer. This is a answer. This is a answer. So this is a required argument. Required argument. So this is a one example. So argument value is nothing is there means program is error. Argument and value you can give it means that value you can store in the str, that execute the program. So this is called to what? Required argument. Okay. Next I will teach you keyword argument. Keyword argument. Sir, keyword argument example I will teach you. Listen carefully. Tef print data name, then colon. After that what? Then on indentations print example friend name, then colon finished, print name comma name. Next what is this? Return. Then what is this? Print data. Print data name is equal to Hari. Then colon finished. Now this program what is this? Then print data, it is a function name. One argument is there. That argument name is what? Name. Okay, name is there. Now that next what is this? Friend name. Next print name is comma name printed. Next return. Next print data. Okay, print data. What will told? That is the name is equal to Hari. So this is a keyword. This is a keyword. This keyword you can identify in computer Python language. The name is what? Hari. The name is what? Hari. The Hari didn't say. Here what is this? Here you can require means one argument. That value you can store in str. Here same, but one name I give you. That name is keyword. That name is keyword. That keyword you can store in the here Hari you can take here. After that what will do? That you can execute the program. Now you can output what will do? That is the example friend name. Next what is this? Name is equal. Name what name is there? Hari. The Hari he can going to save into name. That is what? Hari. So this is what? Keyword argument function. Keyword argument function. Okay. Third one what? Default. Default argument. Default argument also one argument I will teach you. So listen carefully. Okay. So this like what is this? This like many commands will do it. Many arguments will do it. This is here one argument I give you. So this like what is this? Name age is equal to 25. This like how many arguments you can send that much of arguments you will take that. Okay. Okay. Thank you students. Now you can default argument. Default arguments def print info then name comma salary is equal to 3500 then colon then what is the next one? Print comma name double quotation equal comma name print salary is equal to salary. Then close, return. Next what is this? Print, info, then double quotation, money. So this is what is this? This like you can required keyword that like is there. So this is what? Required also is there. Then what is this? This also same is there. But here what is this? This is a default argument. Default argument. Now this program if you run, that means what answer will come? Money is going to save here. Okay. Now you can name is what? Money. Now this program if you run, that means what will name means? Name is equal to money. Then salary is equal to salary didn't argument passed. Okay. Or only one argument only passed to here. Okay. That is what does this means? That is a salary is not given. But defaultly what salary is there? 350. Sorry, 3500. 3500. 3500. So that is called to default argument. Default value, what value will take? That value you can take here. Sorry, in case I give the value comma 2000 I give it, then some call it. Now what output will coming means, that is here what in the default value didn't take. Only 2000 value only take. So two values is there. 2000 is there. The 2000 only will take. Default value it is a invoke. So that is called to default value. In case value is not there means that is a default value will take that. In case value is there means that value you can take that. That is called to what? Default value. So you take your book and listen to me students. Okay. Okay. Now I teach you fourth one. Fourth one, it is a variable length argument. So this is a easy one. Listen. Okay, easy one. Listen to me. So I will teach you. Listen. This is what? TAFE. Sum is function name. X, Y, Z. So how many variables? How many argument is there? 3 argument is there. Okay, now print sum is equal double quotation comma X plus Y plus Z. Now what is this? Sum 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 50 comma 60 comma then closed. So here how many variables is there? That is a 3 variables there. Here how many values you gave? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So computer what will do? That is a confuse. First 3 value or take, or second 3 value will take, or third 3 value will take. That is a confused. That is a program. It is a output didn't come. That is a error. Error only will come. So that is a 3 argument is there means, for example 5 comma 10 comma 15 only you will give it means that value what is this? Here we will going to save X for 5, Y for 10, then Z for 15. Totally you can what is it? 20, 30 will come. That is the answer is 30 will come. That is the output. So the variable value is a very carefully you can give it. So this is what is this? Variable length of argument. Variable length of argument. Okay. This is here one examples is there. Your book. See here I will teach you. Listen to me. Your book one program is there. That program also I will teach you. Okay. See here. See here what is this? Step. What is this? Print numbers. Okay, print numbers. There is each and everything is a syntax is there, students. So very carefully you can listen to in your book. Okay, okay. For n in numbers, print n, after that return, after that what is this? Invoke the function. Print two numbers, print numbers, function name, two arguments, print three numbers, print numbers, what is this? Three numbers. So now what does this means? Take print numbers, asterisk numbers, asterisk numbers. Asterisk numbers means how many variables you will take, that means that much of value you will take that. That is a point out. That is a point out. So now what is this will, here first you can note that, okay, here first you can note that, first value what? 1, 2. That is a n is what is this? 2. 2 is 2 times you can execute. That is a, what is this? 1, 2 you can print it. 1, 2 printed, printed. Next what is this? Print 3 numbers will printed. The 3 numbers go to there. After that, how does the n is 3? How many values is there? That is a 3 values is there. 10, 20, 30 we can print it. So n is, that is a number of terms, the number of length. That is called to what? That is a variable length. Okay, that is a non-keyword variable argument, keyword variable argument. That is a difference. Okay, that is a each and everything will do it. Okay, thank you students. Last class I will teach you that function. No, the 2 classes very carefully you can listen. That is the easy one. Okay, thank you students.